it's pretty fun. What about this? You okay? No. Do you want to control the remote? Is that what it is? Oh, I came over to hang out with you and I'm going to control your remote. No, it's bullshit, man. We're watching this. Fine. This? Well, you get one last channel. Pick a channel. You want it? Fine. Let's do this. I'm winning. Oh, come on. Fuck, man. Ugh. Go down the time. Oh, dude. It's not fair. You fucking came up with the game. It's your fucking game. And you think I'm gonna win. The wheels on the bus go round and round. What is this? Baby, please do this before I get home. Laundry, dishes, feed the dog. Okay. Clean dog shit. Damn it. Love ya. Love you too. I'm gonna fix this up a little bit. Bust up this nice red pen. Masturbate. We're gonna masturbate here too. We're gonna masturbate one more. Boner. I'm gonna bone the hell out of her. And then masturbate. We're gonna finish the day with a bang. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. There you go. That's Liz. Laundry. Gotta have the laundry soap, right? Yeah. Squirty. Ugh. Where's those fuzz coming from? God damn it. That was hard. Uh-oh. Now to check the dryer. What? Oh my god. Where did all this stuffing come from? Clean spoon for me. Clean spoon for you. Clean. Ah! Oh my god. How is that even possible? It's only spoons. Oh my god. Oh. What are you doing? Sniffing food? Huh? Sniffing food? Huh? Sniffing? You want food? You can't have the food. Now, where is that dog shit? Oh man. Oh dude, that's a lot. Woo! Party! Yeah, party! Woo! Party! Yeah, woo! Oh man, I can't believe you just did that! Party foul! Oh my god! We need one more. I'm good. One more. And you, buddy, my bestest friend ever, you a good guy. Your brother always has your back. Not me. Your brother. You, Mr. Skin and Bones over there. Black suits are. I'm running! Woo! Anyways, like I said, black suits are very similar, but you didn't get wet because you just look skin bones. You're just bony, you know, like you know what I say, you know. And he agrees with me. You're a bony guy, but you need to know that blonde bitch. She's a hoot. I mean, whoo. If I was already chicken, I'd go for it, but you just didn't get it because that asshole keeps taking it from me. Hey man, I just call him as a sin, you know. It's cool. It's like whatever. What? You wanna go? Do you wanna go? I will kick your ass, man. Yeah, hold him back. Time for bed. Yeah. Baby. Ready to get
frisky tonight? Yeah. You already asleep?